Home sellers, learn how our exclusive citywide buyer agents network will get you more money for your home. Top producing agents, in particular those who are predominantly buyer's agents and represent buyers, pay close attention to our team. They prefer selling a home listed and represented by us because they know every I has been dotted, every T crossed, and that they and their buyers will have a smooth, fail-safe experience working with our team. Each of our team members maintains close working relationships with different realtors. Even our competitors welcome the opportunity of matching one of their buyers with one of our properties, confident everything will go perfectly, that they'll spend less time on the transaction, and their buyers will be satisfied. When we pull the trigger on your listing, when everything is 100% market ready, this entire exclusive network of agents representing at any given moment thousands of buyers searching for their next home receives information about your property. If you are seriously motivated to get top dollar in your time frame and with the least inconvenience to you, contact us today and start packing.